heard you're having second thoughts.
I know we have to think big if we're going to make a difference. But not like this. I feel trapped.
That's the signal!
All according to plan.
Let's go.
Right.
Yeah!
I don't see any intruders. Maybe they went home. Oh, hey, over there! Target sighted! Light him up!
Give up?
Kill the bastard!
They're up there too!
Here we go. It's over.
Send back up! They have a sniper! Get in first!
Enough.
Focus on the other one! Quickly! We're surrounded! Where's our chance? Back up!
That's that. Enough. That's that.
Heading this way!
See ya. That's that.
Unauthorized entry in 76 Annex. All units, proceed to location and secure. Unauthorized entry in 76 Annex. Unauthorized entry in 76 Annex. Hostile numbers confirmed. Threat minimal. Engage and pursuit. Repeat.
That's that.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Give me a bit more time and I got you.
Give it up!
No holding back.
You're mine! It's over!
Here we go. Back in it.
Good riddance.
Don't let him escape!
No holding hit.
Carry on top!
All right. You're mine.
me. I've got this. Catch me if you can.
Bleeding so much.
Still in it. Won't last long. Here it comes. You're done. I'll end this. Sorry.
Tree! Come and get him!
No holding back. Going in. Sorry.
Don't eat me! Please don't eat me!
You're done. Let's do this.
Don't fail me
You're done. Let's finish this. Sorry.
I'm not
Going
tired.
in.
I can do this all night! Think I ran off the pizza.
Hell of a show, man. If only the ladies loved you that much.
I'm glad someone's enjoying themselves.
Of course they store mechs here.
You ready?
Hell yeah.
More than you know. Look what I found. Let's give these jerks a taste of their own medicine.
Gotta be careful.
Still some left, you know? You should make use of them while you can. Got you my sight.
You're mine. Duty calls.
I got this.
Good job. All right. I won't give up.
There. I laid a few more mines for you. This recoil's crazy. Got you like that. Now that's what I call teamwork. Stay where you are.
Well, shit.
All right, assholes, show me your hands.
Well, aren't we having a wonderful time kicking the hornet's nest? You know what I want. A second dance. Just the two of us. You turned the key. The engine roars with excitement. It hungers to be set free!
Fall back.
Right. Come on.
It's been a long time since I fought a duel out of the saddle. But, for all the miles on the clock, I'm just as fast as I ever was.
At last, our long-awaited dance begins. Here's to a fair fight, my friends.
Ready?
Here we go. Here it comes. So long.
Isn't it grand?
Never again. I got your number. Burn.
I told you we were gonna push it past the red line!
Get ready.
In the blink of an eye! Shall I keep you company? In the blink of an eye! Shall I keep you company? Open up the throttle!
Won't last long. Still in it.
In the blink of an eye!
Let's do this.
A fire engine! Too slow!
No escape.
Open up the throttle! Shall I keep you company?
In the blink of an eye! Once more! What a wonderful gift you've given to me! Open up the throttle!
Need a light?
Shall I keep you company?
Time to burn.
In the blink of an eye!
You're done. Satisfied?
With such fleeting pleasure? Hardly. There are higher heights to which you and I can still soar.
Okay, boys! Give them everything you've got! But kill the swordsman first! We really must do this again. Until then, try not to die. I'll see you on the road, my friend.
God damn it! Let's go.
Right.
Run! Run while you can! Friendly! Friendly! Stand down! Your team shouldn't be here. Glad yours is.
Come here. Wedge will be fine, but you won't be if they start asking questions.
And who are they?
First guests to the party, another avalanche cell. Our holier-than-thou friends from the old guard. It's always their way or the highway. Lately, they've been a real pain in the ass. Till now.
So then why are they here?
Beats me. We've been on the outs ever since our cell got labeled too extreme. Though they're the ones running around with mil-spec gear. Word is, they cut a deal with Wutai. Promised him all the materia in Midgar, apparently. Think there's any truth to that?
You tell me.
Sometimes, I think we're the only ones who've realized the war's over. Okay, mission complete. Let's make our way back to the lot.
Right.
Looking a lot more crowded now.
Security's out in force.
Just what we need.
Forces have breached the 7th mechanic in large numbers.
So are we not gonna wait for Wedge?
If we stuck around or went back, he'd only get upset.
Why is that?
As a soldier, you wouldn't understand. I'll tell him you're worried about it, no? Who knows?
Many of our citizens have already been disturbed by the alarm. Squad A will set up here to search for suspects. He will establish a perimeter, roadblocks included. Contain the situation.
You made it!
Rumors
Over
of
here!
violence against public security will only serve to frighten the
Okay, form up, let's go!
Could you have been any louder? I mean, it made my job a lot easier, but... Wait, where's Wedge? Wedge! That was close.
We'll go get him.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Come on.
Not my finest hour.
You get hit?
Just swinged, I think. Oh, shot!
Really? Let me see.
Are we seriously doing this here? That's... wow.
You guys are the worst.
Your ass is fine. Maybe singed, but the only casualty is your underwear. This is like a bruise or a mild burn at worst.
Now that was a gunshot.
Is that a smile I spy? Hmm?
It's not safe here. We should go.
Copy that.
So, how do we get back to the slums?
With a little trick I've been dying to try out.
Man, can't believe HQ was running an op tonight of all nights.
Coincidence?
All residents are
Yeah.
to return to their homes
Bad
and
omen.
remain indoors
They're
until
ramping up
further
for
notice.
something.
I
Could get
repeat,
messy.
for your safety, go home.
I heard someone say it was an attack.
Hey, it was those terrorists, right? There has been no attack. For your safety, please go home and remain indoors until further notice. An emergency has been declared. All civilians are to remain indoors. Cooperation is appreciated. An emergency has been declared.
It's Wu-Tai, isn't it? Let me get my gun. I'll teach him to mess with Midgar. Don't you worry about me. I killed myself a platoon's worth of them bastards back in the war.
Yes, thank you for your service. Now, if you would just allow me to escort you back home.
Right, this is it. Through here and we're home free.
Where exactly are we going?
When we get there, you'll know. Now that I've got my blasting agents, we should have everything we need for our next mission.
Sure hope so.
Yeah, me too. For your dad's sake.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Huh?
Cloud was just saying how he hopes to come back and try the Midgard special.
Really, huh? Cloud said that?
Sure did. Wants a whole pie to himself. Isn't that right?
That's right.
Really? Well, okay then. Maybe I'll lend Mom a hand next time too.
That'd be awesome.
Super duper awesome.
Should be somewhere around here. Bingo. I half figured my dad got it wrong, but nope. They're here just like he said.
Parachutes?
What do you mean half figured?
50-50 is pretty good odds if you ask me. This is gonna be
Wait.
fun. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you coming all this way with me. And like I said before, I'd be grateful if you kept this between us until after the mission. I don't want to complicate things.
Sure. Okay, who's ready to fly?
Me!
Hey, Cloud, you let him down gently, all right?
Yep.
Wait, I almost forgot. One more thing.
Whoa! Stop it! What in the hell are you trying to... Whoa!
Easy, you'll make us fall.
Not if you do first!
Swing by my place after, so I can pay you in full.
No!
Wait! Give me a minute!
No,
Why you have to be such a hard ass, bro?
I ain't your bro.
I wish I could have done more. Just got hurt.
You did enough. You took one for the team. Be proud.
Yeah? Yeah!
Feels like we're flying high these days.
Now, more than ever.
He's a keeper, all right.
Yeah! Together, we can take on the world!
I'll head home on my own. After all, I'm only a little sore.
It's cool. We'll go together.
Aw, thanks, bro.
Cut that out.
This way. Think Jesse and Biggs made it back safe?
I guess.
Cool if we check on them? We'll pass by their places anyway.
Sure. You're dead. It's over. Let's do this. See ya. It's over. Enough. See ya. Nothing to it.
side too, right? Over Scrap Boulevard?
I have to tell you that I'm grateful for all of your help thus far. I've done it. I've developed a new materia. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions. I hope you will continue to help me gather vital information for my research. I look forward to receiving all of your future battle intel submissions.
Quiet out here. I'm not made for life on the front lines.
Well, this is Big's place. I guess he hasn't made it home yet.
Guess not.
Hope he isn't worst casing it again. He's got a habit of overthinking things, worrying about all the possible outcomes till his head hurts.
Wouldn't have guessed.
And when he worries, I worry. Anyway, let's head on over to Jesse's.
Me wanting to leave Midgar didn't go over so well.
Word is, the former reactor.
Scares me to death thinking there might be more to come.
This is where Jesse lives. Men are not allowed inside. Lots of pretty girls trying to make it big on stage live here. So don't hang around or they might get the wrong idea.
Huh.
I'm telling you this for your own good, Cloud. People around here love to gossip.
They know about Jesse and Avalanche?
Nah, it's all good. They think she's an actress. Oh, and one more thing, bro. It's all a game to her. Don't fall for it.
You lost me.
Life's a stage and love's the play. Guys aren't allowed, remember?
You know about the secret reactor jobs? Even people from the
I'm gonna try to find some live-in work.
Hey there, Bigums, Reggie, Smalls. Brought a new friend to meet you.
What?
These little guys are on guard duty today.
Okay.
Thanks for seeing me home.
Really sorry about your ass.
It's all good, bro.
It's kind of weird when you call me that.
Hey, don't be scared. Deep down, he's a big softie. It's okay. It's okay. Good job, guys. Great work. Aw, I missed you too. Oh, Bigums, acting so tough. And you, Reggie, you are just the cutest. Hey, bro, wanna chill with me and the gang for a bit?
Who's the gang?
The cats, dummy. Who else? Bigamous Rex, Reginaldo, Mr. Smalls.
Right.
Mind checking on the others again for me? Thanks. Oh, and have a good night. Mind checking on the others again for me? Thanks. Oh, and have a good night. Glad to see you guys are getting along just fine.
I'm gonna try to find some live-in work on the plate tomorrow.
You know about the secret reactor jobs? Even people from the Undercity are allowed to do them. Secret jobs.
Well, if it isn't Cloud Strife. Was wondering when you'd show up. Without further ado, here you are. Thanks for stepping up, Merc. And now for the cherry on top.
Okay, I get it. Mind letting me breathe?
Depends. Mind coming over tomorrow night? My roommates should all be out for a while.
Are you seriously that desperate? Just let go already.
Only if you promise to come back tomorrow night. Deal?
No promises, but I'll think it over.
Really? You will? I make a mean pizza, I'll have you know. Marsh, louche, black millie, red shelly. I use only the best ingredients. Sound good?
Never heard of any of that stuff.
Oh, you are so adorable, you know that? You just leave everything to me. It'll be great. Nighty-night. Psych.
Bad idea. Bad idea.
Are you here to play too? I like playing the part, do you?
I stayed up all night thinking about the reactor bombing.
The trains are running.
Me wanting to leave Midgar didn't go over so well.
You want to leave?
I'm just tired of being in the bottom rung.
Oh, hey, Cloud. Survived the jump? How's Wedge?
He's fine.
Well, that's good to hear. Tomorrow's a really big day for all of us. When Wedge said he'd been shot, I was afraid we'd have to call off the whole damn thing. Heading topside in secret. Don't think I could have faced Barrett if something had happened. But Jessie'd been acting weird, and I knew I couldn't just ignore her.
Biggs.
She must be prepping the bomb right now. But will she be able to finish before morning? I should go and see if she needs any...
Biggs.
Huh? Sorry. Our chute was blown pretty far off course. It felt like a bad omen or something. So...
Get some rest. You need it.
Roger.
Night.
Night. And thanks, really. Tomorrow's gonna be a success. I know it. We've all put in the work.
You think that statement Avalanche put out is the real deal? What do you mean? Or...
Well, if it ain't the new Merc in town, then that means us folks using it are ruling the world. If Mako's bad for the planet.
I don't know. I kind of want to check out Sector 6, don't you?
You talking about Wall Market?
I bet we could have lots of fun.
Let me just check my wallet.
The traditional Loveless production. Some guy snooping around town.
Without electricity, ain't no nice night. I finally
Getting late. Time to head home.
Get it together, man.
Locked up tight? Yep, sure is.
They standing me up again? On a night when we could all use a drink.
Probably both, if you ask me.
Sure hope it'll be business as usual for 7th Heaven tomorrow. I'm always game for a second or third helping of Tifa's cooking.
It is? Yeah, he donates to them because he grew up there.
What the hell are those two arguing about?
Slum fashion.
More like pink! A
Classic black and white combination never goes out of fashion.
But pink and red are like the go-to cute colors.
You sure? Because I heard it was a salvage company or something.
Probably both, if you ask me.
Learned that quick after coming here. You saying you're cool?
Rumor has it there's a real I'm telling you, if you just gave the black...
From what I heard, the Mako reactors...
I'll never forgive these terrorists for what they've done to us. You wanting to leave Midgard?
So, what do you think Walmart is like?
I heard you can satisfy all your wildest desires in there.
Damn, I gotta go.
Can you believe how much safer our town has become? But don't go taking midnight walks through Scrap Boulevard just yet.
She's probably asleep.
Cloud?
Yeah,
You were out for a while.
just walking.
I ran into Johnny, by the way. Said not to worry. He was getting out of town.
Oh, that guy.
You weren't thinking of leaving Midgar anytime soon, were you?
Well, seems this old friend of mine's in a tight spot. Long time ago, I said I'd be there for her. Made a promise. So...
Can't say this is quite what I had in mind when I put that on you way back when.
if you want to talk, I'm listening.
Huh? What's with you all of a sudden?
With me?
Like you're losing that hard edge.
That bad?
Not at all. I like it. Maybe Marlene won't be so scared of you next time. I'm really glad to have you back, Cloud. Really glad. It's pretty late, huh? I'd like to catch up more, but we should probably both get some sleep, yeah?
Yeah.
Good night, then.
Good night, Tifa.
Sleep and dream the sweetest dreams.
Cloud!
What's wrong?
Come with me! Quickly! We were getting ready to set out when those things showed up and came after us.
The others?
Barrett and Jesse are holding their ground, but for how long? I don't know.
Let's go.
Right.
Ready?
You know it.
Let's head for the barn.
There!
Is this even working?
Man, I really hope we did.
Burn. This is stupid. All right. That's that.
There's way too many of them. Damn it!
There's no end to this. No idea. Pretty sure you can't even see them unless they make physical contact first.
That's all we can do?
I can tell you.
More of them? We're running out of time.
Any other way?
Yeah, over here.
Again?
Are they trying to stop us from reaching the others? Cloud, this way. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's like trying to fight a hurricane.
Stay on your feet.
You don't have to tell me that. They just keep coming! We've got to do something! Hang on! Cloud!
I'm coming. Get ready. That's that. Let's get this over with.
Bring it! Damn it! Where the hell are they coming from?
Let's do this. All right.
Bring it!
Enough. Tap
There!
Calling fire. Let's finish this. Here it comes.
How's your ammo?
Running low! Jesse!
Damn it!
Huh? Easy now.
What's going on? What's happening?
We ain't putting on a damn show! The hell were those things? Some kind of... I don't know. Guess I shouldn't be surprised, though. Never can tell what weird shit'll come crawling out of the scrap down here. It's those reactors. I'm telling you.
It hurt?
Wish I could say it didn't, but yeah. God, this is so embarrassing. Hate playing the damsel in distress.
It happens.
What did you do to your leg? Does it hurt?
Not nearly as much as the fuss everyone's making.
Still, I think you ought to avoid putting any...
I'm fine.
Oh.
That's enough. You're out, Jesse.
Huh? What about the mission? We already sent Biggs in, remember? Don't tell me you're thinking of calling it off.
No, we got this.
The hell you do.
If you need someone to step up, I'm your man. Oh.
Okay, so here's the thing.
I'm gonna need a raise.
Consider it done. All right, everyone, clouds in. The mission is on.
Go and raise some hell for me, okay?
Listen, Wedge, I need you to hang back and guard the home front.
What? But I'm in perfect health.
Which makes you the perfect choice to look after Jesse and Marlene.
Hey.
Let's get this show on the road to Mako Reactor 5. Once you got your gear in order, head to the station for the meet. Got it? This'll help you get squared away. Don't tell me I never did nothing for you. I'm counting on you, soldier boy.
Forgot to give this to you, bro. Your prize for taking the top spot on the darts leaderboard. You earned it. After you guys come back from the plate, maybe we can play around together.